Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off restricted mode on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be on this page. Now, for example, if I want to play this game, you can see that I am not able to play this game because of this restricted maturity setting. You can see here, in order to play this game, your account must have enabled restricted level maturity. So what you have to do is go to your home page and here click on this gear icon at the top right. Select settings from the drop-down menu and you will be redirected to this account info page. Here, go to left-hand side menu and click on this privacy and content maturity. Now click on this content maturity and here you will see this slide bar. You have to slide this to restricted tab. But in order to do this first, you have to verify your age. So simply click on this verify age and then follow the on-screen instructions to verify your age. I will show you this on another account where I have verified my age so that you get the idea of how this content maturity works. So here I am on another account and you can see I have changed my maturity to restricted. Now if I go to the same game which I showed you earlier, you can see now I am able to play this game. And that's it. So that's basically how you can turn off restricted mode on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.